What separates a good 2D game from a timeless classic? Often, it's not just the tight controls or the clever level design, it's the art. The world you get lost in, the characters you fall in love with. But what exactly makes 2D side-scroller art great? It's more than just pretty pictures. Today, we're breaking down the key ingredients that turn pixels and vectors into pure magic. The number one rule: the player must always know where to go and what they can interact with. This is achieved through visual hierarchy. Great art guides the eye. The foreground elements are often dark and detailed, framing the scene. The background is soft, atmospheric, and purposefully less detailed to create depth. And right in the middle, the playable area, the characters and platforms are crisp, high contrast, and instantly readable. Great art isn't just technically proficient, it has a strong, consistent personality. This is its art direction. Is your game going for a gritty, hand-drawn look like Hollow Knight? Or the zany, 1930s cartoon chaos of Cuphead? This direction dictates everything: the color palette, the line work, the animation style. Consistency is key. Throwing a hyper-realistic character into a world of cute chibi sprites creates a jarring experience. The best games pick a style and commit to it 100%, making their world feel cohesive and unforgettable. A static image can be beautiful, but a game needs to move. This is where expressive animation brings the world to life. It's not just about being smooth, it's about giving weight and personality to every action. Principles from classic animation are crucial here. Squash and stretch to make jumps feel impactful, anticipation to telegraph attacks, and exaggeration to sell the fantasy. The little details: a character shaking off rain, leaves rustling in the wind, a subtle bounce when landing. These are the touches that make a world feel alive and responsive. Color and lighting are your most powerful tools for storytelling. They tell the player how to feel without a single word of dialogue. A bright, saturated palette with warm yellows and greens feels safe and cheerful. A desaturated palette with deep blues and purples feels lonely, mysterious, or dangerous. Lighting, especially in modern 2D games, can be dynamic. It can highlight a secret path, create a sense of dread, or provide a moment of hope. The art doesn't just show you where you are, it tells you how you should feel about being there. Finally, all these elements must come together to create a unified world. The architecture, the flora and fauna, the props, they should all feel like they belong to the same reality. The ancient ruins in the first level should share a visual DNA with the royal city you discover later. This believability makes the world feel vast and real, rather than a disconnected series of levels. It's the environmental storytelling that makes you wonder about the history of the place you're exploring. So what makes great 2D side-scroller art? It's the perfect blend of function and beauty. It's a clear visual hierarchy that guides the player, a strong art direction that gives it a soul, expressive animation that brings it to life, masterful color and lighting that sets the mood, and a unified world that makes it all feel believable. The next time you get lost in a beautiful 2D world, take a moment to look closer. You'll start to see the brilliant design choices working in harmony to create an experience that sticks with you long after you've put the controller down. What's your favorite example of great 2D game art? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.